Oh. Joli.
Hello everybody and welcome. So today I want to show you some of my bashes. I was a few days ago out with my friends from Belgium. So I took my Outcast 4S for a run. Let's take a quick look inside. It's a bone stock Outcast 4S with all the stock electronics. The only thing I've added is these two mud guards. It's the version 2 from ARRMA, and I have no breakdown, no major breakage. Besides that, the body looks not good anymore. But overall, a very nice, a very good car. The second car I took out with the boys was my Kraton 6S. You see the body looks a bit used. Yes, I have done a lot of stunts with this one. And I used it quite a lot over the past 2 years, and there were 2 or 3 things that has broken over the time. Let's start with the tires. I changed the front tires. These are the backflips from D-Boots. These are the same as on the Outcast 4S. They are a bit smaller than the originals. The originals are on the rear. These are the Copperhead 2. They come with the car. And then let's take a look inside. The front bumper, you see it there. The front bumper is from the Kraton 8S. Then I've managed to break a small screw here on the shock tower. And what happened? I hit a small tree and then I just broke this screw on the shock spacer, and it's inserted with Loctite, so it's so tight I can't get it out. And it is the second time I broke this part, so now I've ordered here, ding, you see it, but some M4, and I have just to drill because this one is on M3. I ordered some M4 spacers with the screws. The electronics are all stock, no change at all. The pinion is stock. I've added, like on the Outcast, some mud guards on the rear. Yes, it is a boy, but joke beside, what I've done here, I've added a second suspension for the spoiler, because this spoiler is the worst part on the car. Small hits, it will break. And here you see on the diff housing, I just added from IKEA. Oh, nice. I just added from IKEA some plastic parts because this one is broken. Cheap fix, it works. That's a bit over my Kraton 6S. My friends, they took out 2 of their Traxxas Maxx. So let's see how they perform outside.
Oh. Joli.
Ah, le gros bruit là. Ouais, mais bon, toi t'es dans une autre catégorie, toi.